Hello, hope you are doing great. So today I will show you how to disable comments. So if you are using WordPress, and then you will see all the spam comment are coming, and it will increase your spam score into your website. So if you want to disable it, so you have to install a plugin named disable comments, this one. So just search here disable comment, and then install this and active this plugin, and then you will see disable comment under settings section. Just go there, and you will see here is option for everywhere disable comments globally on your entire website. So we need to select this, and then also select this one for this one, this one. So we will enable all these four options. So REST API, XML through, so spammer can do all the comments through a software. So that's why we need to disable everything through here. So then you need to save changes, and then delete comment. So just delete comment, yes. So I just deleted the comments, and also you will see the comment section are removed from here. If we reload this dashboard, you will see the comment section are gone. So this is how you can easily protect your website from spamming comments. So I hope this will help you, and if you like this video, just comment below, and if you have any question you can ask me anytime. So thank you so much.